Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well on this lovely day. I just received a package that I ordered online from the Faithful to Nature online store and I thought I would share it with you. I just bought some vegan skincare products and some vegan snacks. So this past month I've been eating a lot of junk food and it's had its nasty effect on my skin. I don't know if you could see, my skin's not doing well. Also, by turning 30 something, I did my research and apparently my skincare routine needs to be updated. So I bought some new products that I've not used before. Okay, so now let's go through the skincare products. I guess also what I'll do is I'll read more about the products on the company's website, just so that we get more information on what each product does. Okay, this is an apricot and walnut exfoliating facial polish by the Victorian Garden. The website states that it is made with apricot kernels and walnuts. It has a creamy but fine textured facial scrub with organic shea butter that will deep cleanse dirt and oil, as well as exfoliate dead skin cells without damaging or drying the skin. The fragrance of apricots make this one of the Victorian Garden's top sellers. It is suitable for all skin types. Okay, let me open. You can see the powdered exfoliating kernels, but the quantity looks little. So I'm guessing it will maybe last a month if I exfoliate once a week. We'll see. Okay, next is the Hey Gorgeous Banish and Repair Blemish-Free Serum. The website states if you're battling acne-prone skin, this specifically formulated Hey Gorgeous Banish and Repair Serum will feed your skin with the correct essential fatty acids and nutrients it needs to stabilize the overproduction of sebum to treat and control acne breakouts so that you have the radiant skin you always wanted. The organic essential oils work exceptionally well to heal marks, scars, and blemishes. Your skin stays cleaner for longer while feeling soft and receiving the nutrients needed to encourage skin regeneration. It is made with jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, carrot seed oil, apricot kernel oil, baobab oil, rosehip seed oil, calendula oil, frankincense, neroli, neem, hemp seed oil, lavender, and chamomile essential oils. Sounds good. Next is the Eye Bright Firming Eye Serum. And the website states that it's a new anti-aging eye treatment from the Victorian Garden range. The Eye Bright Firming Eye Serum tones, rejuvenates and smooths the skin around the eyes. It provides much needed moisture to the delicate eye area and reduces the appearance of dark circles, fine lines and puffiness. This is a lightweight, silky serum designed by the natural beauty experts at the Victorian Garden, which will leave you with brighter, younger looking eyes and wonderfully nourished skin. It's made with Eye Bright elderflower, maca, and seaweed extract. Okay, so this is one of the products I've never used an eye serum before, so it'll be interesting to see what this actually does for me. Next is the DowntoEarth Revive Moisturizer. The website states use this vitamin-rich facial moisturizer as a day or night cream to hydrate and nourish your skin naturally. The DowntoEarth Revive Moisturizer works to improve skin elasticity and clear blemishes, leaving you with a healthy and balanced complexion. The formula includes shea butter, coconut oil, African potato, and organic aloe extracts, all of which pamper your skin and speed up the healing while putting the brakes on the signs of aging. With some daily help from the DowntoEarth Rejuvenating Moisturizer, you can enjoy soft, supple skin that glows with natural health, all the confidence that comes with it. Next is the Organic Rooibos Night Repair Cream, and this is for all skin types. The website states that it is a rich, deep, penetrating night treatment formulated to hydrate all skin types at the cellular level, leaving skin soft and supple. The human body naturally repairs itself between the hours of 12 and 4 a.m. It's during this time that the cells naturally restore themselves and collagen levels are replenished. This cream works by destroying the damaging free radicals, creating a more youthful and radiant experience. Next, we have the tropical Jamaican black castor oil. The website states that this is a traditional natural remedy that is making a comeback as a deeply conditioning hair and skin treatment that promotes faster, healthier hair growth and combats dryness and dandruff. The tropical black castor oil difference is the ancient method by which it is processed, producing the most potent black variety that works even more effectively than clear castor oil. It's rich in vitamin E and omega fatty acids and provides natural antimicrobial protection against infection, as well as stimulating circulation to bring valuable nourishment to your hair follicles, combating hair loss. These properties also make the tropical black castor oil a fantastic treatment for skin issues such as acne, eczema, and dry skin. Now, moving on to the snacks. So, we have the Just Peachy snack, but it is in pineapple and guava. So pineapple has actually shown to have huge health benefits due to its wealth of nutrients, vitamins and minerals, while guava contains nutrients that help curb all kinds of illnesses, including cancer and diabetes. Its vitamin A content is 5 times that of an orange. It also has standard amount of protein, fiber, and folate, and possibly more vitamin C than any other fruit. Okay, next we have the by Nature sulfur dried mangoes, and this is full of vitamins A and C, which boost the immune system and keep your cells healthy and happy. It's a great source of iron, ideal for combating anemia. It's rich in fiber to improve digestion. It's 100% sulfur free, there's no nasty preservatives added, and it's sourced from ethical and sustainable farms. And then next up we have the Earth Joy organic raw chocolate mushrooms, chocolate macaroons. Okay, the raw cacao is packed full of antioxidants and boosts all those feel-good chemicals like serotonin and dopamine. They've got scientific proof that eating chocolate in its pure raw form makes a person feel happy. And agave syrup is a natural plant-based sweetener, far healthier and lower in calories than sugar, which is certainly something to smile about. Organic almonds add some crunch to the mix, while the blend of ginger, vanilla, and sea salt, which add a delicate sweet and slightly spicy flavor. Okay, let's open it and taste. Open. So I've never ever had a macaroon before because I'm assuming it's got eggs in it. So let's try what this tastes like. It tastes very healthy. So it has a lot of powder. I'm assuming that's cacao powder. But yeah, I'm guessing if I eat this, I'm going to feel really healthy. And happy. Okay, next we have the Omega Almond Nut Butter. The website states that this is a 100% natural nut butter that is thick, rich, and deliciously smooth. It's slightly sweet with a velvety texture. The almond butter is a perfect alternative to peanut butter, and it's packed with protein and essential minerals. It's incredibly good for you, and you can spread it over the toast in the morning, use it when you're baking, add a dash of it to your smoothies, or even use it to give another flavor dimension to your salad dressings. It's a tasty, wholesome spread your whole family will love. Let me just take it out. So there you go, it's Omega almond butter. I've also never had almond butter before, so let's just hope it's nice. It's very liquidy, like it's not like peanut butter. I've only had peanut butter in my life, but this is very liquidy. I don't know if you can see that. And let's just have a taste. I hope it tastes nice. I love it. It's It actually tastes like an almond smoothie. I could have some fun with this. Okay. That's it, guys. Please let me know what your favorite vegan snacks are, and also what are some of your favorite vegan skincare products. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.